I'm Wes Smuts and this is 87 Murphy Drive in Glenlee, a prime example of why acreage living is so popular, with easy access to the city yet not overcrowded by your neighbours. Come and have a look at what this property has to offer. The heart of the home must be this beautifully renovated stone-top designer kitchen with its wonderful flow onto the living areas, the kitchen and the outdoor entertainment. Whether your hobbies include keeping some chooks, having a nursery, a small burgeoning orchard, or just want tons of room to store your toys, this acre property delivers in spades. If you and your family want to escape the hustle bustle of town, but still be close to all its amenities and just really enjoy time spent together and watch the world go by, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts, for more information.